With Google's Nano Banana AI, you can now do mind-blowing face swap editing, absolutely free. Welcome to Nano Banana AI Masterclass, Part 2, where I'm going to show you not just how to swap faces, but also how to remove masks from images and unlock some of the most advanced editing features this tool offers. But wait, before we dive in, let me ask you this. Did you watch Part 1 of this masterclass? If not, you're missing out on some seriously powerful skills. In that video, I revealed how to use Nano Banana AI for age progression, turning a young man into a 70-year-old in seconds, and reversing time to make someone decades younger. We also explored how this tool can handle edits that normally take hours in Photoshop, smoothing faces, changing skin tones, altering eye colors, whitening and straightening teeth, and pulling off edits that even professionals struggle with. If you haven't seen it, I've linked Nano Banana AI Masterclass Part 1 in the I button above and in the description. Make sure you check it out after this. Now, I know some of you may have clicked on this video just to learn how to do a face swap with Nano Banana AI. If that's you, you can jump directly to Chapter 11. But if you're serious about truly mastering this tool and pushing its limits, then watch this video till the very end, because in this masterclass, you're going to discover how to completely change facial expressions, how to redirect eye gaze so the subject looks straight into the camera, how to add or remove beards and mustaches, how to fix blinking eye problems in photos, how to add or remove glasses, and yes, how to remove masks from faces with just a single prompt. And that's not all. I've also prepared an exclusive prompt template guide for you. Somewhere in this video, I'll reveal exactly how you can get access to it, but only if you stick around till the end. So, if you're ready to unlock the hidden powers of Nano Banana AI and take your editing game to a whole new level, let's get started with Nano Banana AI Masterclass, Part 2. With Nano Banana AI, you can literally control emotions in a photograph with just a single prompt. Want to make someone smile? Done. Want to turn a calm face into one filled with anger, shock, or even disgust? You can do it all, instantly. Sounds unbelievable, right? Let's put this feature to the test. Here, I have an image of Morgan Freeman. At first glance, his expression looks very natural, almost neutral. But if you look closely, you'll notice a faint, subtle smile. Now let's see what happens when we ask Nano Banana AI to transform this expression into a big, genuine smile. The process is simple. First, go to gemini.google.com. Make sure the Google Nano Banana AI model is selected. Upload the image you want to edit. And then enter this prompt. Change his facial expression to a gentle, genuine smile. Give it a few seconds, and bingo. Here's the edited version. Morgan Freeman now has a warm, broad smile that looks completely natural. But let's push it further. What if we want to see him look angry instead? All we need to do is change the prompt to change his facial expression to an angry look, with furrowed brows and tightened lips. And just like that, within seconds, Nano Banana AI completely shifts the emotion in the photo. Now his face carries an intense, angry expression. The best part? You're not limited to just smiling or anger. With the same technique, you can create shocked, disgusted, surprised, or even dramatic cinematic expressions with a single line of text. Have you ever had that one perfect photo, but you weren't looking at the camera? It happens all the time. Someone clicks your picture, but your eyes are just slightly off to the side. The moment is perfect, but the gaze ruins it. Well, guess what? With Nano Banana AI, you can now redirect your gaze straight into the camera, using just a single prompt. Let me show you. Here's an image of a boy whose eyes are clearly looking away from the camera. Now watch what happens when we use Nano Banana AI. We simply upload the image and type this prompt. Redirect his gaze with his eyes so he is looking directly into the camera, maintaining his smirk and the existing lighting conditions. Wait just a few seconds, and here's the result. Amazing, right? The boy is now looking directly into the camera, as if the photo was captured that way in real life. But let's push it further. What if we don't just want to fix the gaze, but also the direction of his face? This time, we enter the prompt. Turn his face to look directly into the camera. And within seconds, bingo. The transformation is complete. Now his face and gaze are both perfectly aligned with the camera. But does it work on everyone? Let's try another example. Here's a photo of George Clooney, looking slightly off camera. We upload the image and type. He is looking directly into the camera with his eyes, maintaining his neutral expression and the natural lighting. The result? Well, not perfect. Sometimes Nano Banana AI plays a little trick and doesn't get it right on the first try. But that's the beauty of it, you can refine the prompt. So, we try again. He is not still looking into the camera. Please turn his face in a straight line to the camera, make him look directly into the camera. Hit send, wait a few seconds, and bingo. Now it's perfect. His gaze has been redirected flawlessly, as if the original photo was taken straight into the lens. And that's the power of Google's Nano Banana AI. It doesn't just edit photos, it fixes moments. Just imagine this for a second. You have a photo of Tom Cruise. Now what if I told you that with just a few clicks, you can instantly transform that normal photo into a plastic toy-style image? Not only that, you can even restyle the same Tom Cruise photo into a plastic toy version holding a card with any text you want. Or, you could turn him into an American comic book-style character, a vintage poster illustration, or even a 3D cartoon version that looks straight out of Pixar. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, this is exactly what you can do using Domo AI.app. The first time you log in, Domo AI gives you 15 free credits, and trust me, these credits are enough to blow your mind. Once you're inside, you'll see multiple options. For now, let's click on AI image then choose Restyle. Now simply upload your image. If plastic toy style isn't already selected, just pick it from the styles list, and then hit generate. In just a few seconds, boom, here's the edited version. And the best part? You can keep adding small prompts like sitting on a red chair or wearing sunglasses and instantly get brand new versions of the same image. But wait, the real magic of Domo AI doesn't stop here. Because this tool can bring your photos to life by turning them into stunning AI-generated videos. For example, take this image of an anime girl playing a guitar. What if we could make her actually perform on stage in front of a crowd? To do that, just click on AI video. Here you'll find multiple models. For speed, you can pick the faster version, but if you want more cinematic, detailed, and jaw-dropping results, you can go for the advanced model. Let's go ahead with the faster one. Now upload the image, add a simple prompt like, performing at a rock concert, hit generate, and in just a few seconds, here's the final result. Look at this, the quality, the motion, the vibe, it's absolutely mesmerizing. And it doesn't stop with just one example. Here's another image I tested, and again, the result is simply amazing. Honestly, you need to try this yourself. And here's a bonus, if you sign up using the special link in my description, you'll get an exclusive 10% discount, only for the Zappiwala audience. So go ahead, experiment, and unlock your creativity with Domo AI. And now, let's dive back into our Nano Banana AI Masterclass, with the next powerful chapter. With Google's Nano Banana AI, you can do something that once seemed impossible, add a beard or mustache that looks so real it perfectly matches the person's hair color and lighting, all with a single prompt. Want a well-groomed mustache? Done. A rugged, slightly longer beard? Easy. Or maybe even a bold chevron-style mustache? Believe it or not, you can create all of this instantly, no Photoshop, no hours of editing, just one line of text. Let's put this feature to the test. Here we have a man with a completely clean-shaven face. Now let's add a slightly longer beard to him. To do this, we simply upload his image into Google Gemini AI with the Nano Banana AI model selected, and then enter this prompt. Add a full, slightly longer beard to his face, with a natural, slightly rugged look, matching his hair color, ensuring it integrates realistically with the lighting. Hit send, wait a few seconds, and bingo. Here's the edited version. Look at that, the man now has a natural-looking, slightly rugged beard that blends seamlessly with his face and the original lighting. But we're not stopping here. Let's push it further with another test. This time, we'll take a different man and first give him a Dagestani-style beard. After that, we'll completely transform his hairstyle into a Jewish Jerry curl cut. So first, we upload the image and type this prompt. Add a well-groomed, full Dagestani-style beard to his face, enhancing the existing facial hair texture and color, ensuring natural integration with the current lighting. And just like that, within seconds, here's the transformation. Look closely, the beard looks incredibly real, as if he grew it out over months. The integration is flawless. Now, let's take it one step further. We type, now add a Jewish Jerry curl haircut to his head, keeping the Dagestani-style beard, ensuring the new hairstyle integrates naturally with his head shape and the existing lighting. Send it, wait a few seconds, and wow! The result is stunning. The Dagestani beard remains perfectly intact, and now he's got a full Jerry curl hairstyle that looks like it belongs there. Just imagine the possibilities. With Nano Banana AI, you can completely redesign a person's look in seconds, something that would take hours of painstaking effort in Photoshop, with years of skill required to even come close. That's the magic of Google's Nano Banana AI, it doesn't just edit photos, it reinvents them. If you're enjoying Nano Banana AI Masterclass, Part 2, then please support this journey by hitting the like button and subscribing if you haven't already. Because what you're about to see will absolutely blow your mind. Just imagine this, you have a photo of someone wearing glasses, and you wish you could remove them. Sounds like something that would take hours of Photoshop work, right? Well, with Nano Banana AI, you can do it with one simple prompt. And it doesn't stop there. You can add a pair of standard reading glasses. Swap them with stylish sunglasses. Instantly change lens colors. Recolor the frames in any shade you like. Adjust the frame width, thin, thick, or anywhere in between. Even change the frame style itself, from square to rounded, or back again, all with a single line of text. Now let's test this feature in real time. Here's an image of Tom Cruise. First, let's add a pair of standard reading glasses. To do this, simply upload the image, make sure Nano Banana AI is selected, and type this prompt. Add a pair of standard, thin-framed reading glasses to his face, ensuring they fit naturally and complement his expression and the existing lighting. Wait just a few seconds, and bingo! Here's the edited version, Tom Cruise, now wearing reading glasses. Look closely, the integration is so natural, it feels like the photo was originally taken this way. But let's step it up. Now, let's replace the reading glasses with a pair of stylish sunglasses. We just changed the prompt to change to a pair of stylish sunglasses on his face, fitting naturally for a sunny outdoor setting, maintaining his bright smile and the existing lighting. Hit send, wait for it, and here it is. Tom Cruise in sleek black sunglasses, looking effortlessly cool. But why stop there? Let's go bolder. This time, let's change the lens color of his sunglasses to gold. We type, change the lenses of his glasses to gold, while keeping the frames and his expression unchanged. A few seconds later, bingo. Now his sunglasses gleam with golden lenses. Still not enough? Let's change the frame color to a vibrant red. Prompt. Change the frames of his glasses to a vibrant red color, keeping the lenses and his expression unchanged, ensuring the new frame color looks natural with the existing lighting. And within moments, here's the new version, bold red frames that completely transform his look. Now for the final test. Let's switch the frame style itself, from square to rounded. The prompt is simple. Change the frames of the glasses from square to rounded. Send it, wait a few seconds, and bingo. Here's the latest version, Tom Cruise now rocking rounded frames instead of square ones. And there you have it. With Nano Banana AI, you're not just editing photos, you're reimagining styles, experimenting with looks, and unlocking endless creative possibilities. On the internet, many people try to hide their faces, sometimes with masks, sometimes with hands, sometimes with clever tricks. If you know what I'm talking about. But now, after the arrival of Google's Nano Banana AI, hiding is no longer so easy. Because with just a single prompt, this tool can remove those masks and reveal the hidden face behind them. Sounds impossible? Let's test it out. Imagine we have this image of a lady wearing a stylish party mask. Normally, editing this out would take hours of Photoshop work and lots of skill. But with Nano Banana AI, it's almost effortless. We simply upload the image, and then type this prompt. Remove the mask from the face to reveal her true face. Hit the send button, wait a few seconds, and bingo. Here's the Nano Banana AI edited version, the mask is gone, and her full face is revealed. Just imagine the possibilities of what you can achieve with this feature. But let's push it further. This time, we have an image of a girl hiding half of her face with her hand. Once again, we upload the image, and this time we type. Remove the hand from the face to reveal her full face. A few seconds later, bingo. Here's the result, her entire face revealed, perfectly natural, as if her hand was never there. That's the real power of Nano Banana AI. It doesn't just edit photos, it uncovers what's hidden. If you found this feature fascinating, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. But before that, there is one more surprise. I've created an exclusive prompt template document for Nano Banana AI Masterclass Part 2. If you want access to it, here's what you need to do. Simply leave a comment with this exact phrase, I am loving this Nano Banana AI tutorial and I am from your country name. Make sure to include the Nano Banana keyword in your comment. Once you do this, our channel's automated system will provide you with exclusive access to the prompt template document. And if you truly enjoy my work, please support me by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Your support is my biggest motivation to keep creating tutorials like this. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The most awaited, most talked about, and probably the very reason you clicked on this video, the face swap capability of Nano Banana AI. Yes, with just a single prompt, you can swap faces so smoothly that the result will leave you speechless. Like this one, where I swapped the face of Shah Rukh with The Rock. Or this one, where I swapped The Rock's face with Vin Diesel. And even this one, where I swapped Taylor Swift with Kristen Stewart. Unbelievable, right? Let's put this feature to the test together. We'll start with Shah Rukh Khan. Imagine taking his image and swapping his face with Dwayne Douglas Johnson, better known as The Rock. To do this, we simply upload Shah Rukh Khan's photo and enter the prompt. Swap his face with Dwayne Douglas Johnson, also known as The Rock. Hit send, wait a few seconds, and bingo. Here's the edited version, Shah Rukh Khan's face seamlessly swapped with The Rock's. The detailing is unreal, smooth, natural, and almost cinematic. But let's not stop here. Now, let's try swapping The Rock's face with Vin Diesel. We upload The Rock's photo and enter the prompt. Swap his face with Vin Diesel. Within seconds, Nano Banana AI gives us the transformed image. And just look at this, absolutely mesmerizing. The realism is insane, as if these photos were shot that way. And that wraps up part 2 of the Nano Banana AI Masterclass. But remember, this journey isn't over yet. In part 3, we're going even deeper. You'll learn how to create hilarious memes with Nano Banana AI, restore old, damaged photos, add professional watermarks to your images, and even design stunning typographic illustrations, plus so much more. Part 3 is already ready to publish, but here's the deal, I'll only release it once this video reaches 1,000 likes. The faster you make that happen, the faster part 3 comes your way. So smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and ask them to subscribe as well. That's it for today's video. Thank you for being part of this journey, and I'll see you very soon in part 3 of the Nano Banana AI Masterclass.